These beautiful flowers are the artificial cherry blossom branches. They're about 41 inches tall, and they were gifted to me so that I could show you them close up and some of the features about them. These look fantastic in a tall vase. They are just really beautiful flowers. You can see that they have like the white, but there are little pops of color on the flowers. There's some that have kind of like this bright pink, and also you can kind of see the greens and almost like this maroon color on the very center of the flowers. And because there are so many pieces, with the 18 pieces, you really can make it as full as you want, or you can even split them up into multiple centerpieces or multiple vases. Now, I plan to keep them on my porch because I just think they have just a really beautiful spring feel, and I don't have to worry about anything dying because I don't get sufficient light in this spot on my porch for any real plants to really flourish. So that's why I really like the fake plants, especially the cherry blossom. It just gives a very elegant feel. The stems appear very lifelike as well, and they are flexible stems. You are going to have to use some really good wire cutters though to make sure that you cut it down to the size that you need, as these are very tall at the 41 inches. The petals themselves are a silk fabric, so they're nice and soft. And I love that I don't have to worry about any random glue strands on these flowers. They do look just very, very lifelike. So they are beautiful. If you're looking for something to really spruce up your space, I would definitely recommend checking these out.